is a cognitive behavioral therapy technique that can be used to help individuals break down complex tasks or behaviors into smaller, more manageable steps. It involves linking these steps together in a chain so that each step leads to the next, ultimately leading to the completion of the larger task or behavior. Chaining can be helpful for individuals who struggle with organization, task initiation, and task completion. By breaking down larger tasks into smaller steps, the individual can better understand the process of completing the task and see it as less overwhelming. Here's an example of how chaining might be used to help someone with social anxiety. Step 1. Identify a social situation that triggers anxiety, for example attending a party, meeting new people. Step 2. Break down the social situation into smaller steps. Research the event beforehand to know what to expect. Plan what to wear and what to bring. Practice self-soothing techniques to manage anxiety, for example deep breathing, positive self-talk. Attend the event and make small talk with one person. Make small talk with another person. Step 3. Link the steps together in a chain. Research the event beforehand to know what to expect. Plan what to wear and what to bring. Practice self-soothing techniques to manage anxiety, for example deep breathing, positive self-talk. Attend the event and make small talk with one person, then with another person, and continue to make small talk with more people throughout the event. Using chaining in this way can help individuals with social anxiety break down the overwhelming task of attending a social event into smaller, more manageable steps. It can also provide a sense of accomplishment and motivation as each step is completed, leading to an increased sense of self-efficacy and confidence in social situations.